Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Honda Odyssey. Stock number is A8013. Starting right away up front, and then we're going to take a look down the passenger side. You have alloy wheels wrapped with Michelin tires. Inside, leather interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you do have a sunroof. One more look down the passenger side, and we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the hatch now. There's plenty of storage room here. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Audio, Bluetooth, and cruise controls. You have dual climate control and dual heated seats. Full stereo. And your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Honda on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All of this and more at holidayautomotive.com.